Hi, I'm Vaibhav Nagarkar. I'm the Global ABM lead for high-tech accounts. I'm a part of Capgemini Invent and I've been with the organization for 5 years. With the new normal, when everybody is working from their respective homes, we really look forward to opening the laptop and then looking into what's new that I can do today, what is new that I can learn today, what are the opportunities that are there for me to explore and overcome. So I really look forward to working every day thanks to Capgemini. I started my career into marketing, writing content. Soon I realized that there is something else that I can do, and that's how ASC or Accelerated Solutions Environment came to me. I realized that there is a new trade or new tricks that I need to learn. I started learning it and I'm enjoying doing what I'm doing for the past 4 years now. Capgemini, being an IT services company, it works with other companies which are predominantly product companies. Now these product companies rely heavily on vendors like Capgemini as well as other vendors who may be our competitors, and also the people who are responsible for their supply chain, people who ensure that this product reaches the end consumer. Now we as Capgemini organize these multi-vendor platforms wherein we bring all these entities together at a common place and ask them to discuss their challenges, discuss their problems and come up with a solution. When we are doing this, we are not only ensuring we are adding value to the entire chain, we are also ensuring that each of these entities get the future they want. So when we're working from home in the new normal, there are a lot of these chores which we would often delegate, but now we have the time because my company Capgemini allows me to be flexible with my working hours. So it's not compulsory for me to start my day at 9 a.m. in the morning or 10 a.m. in the morning, as long as I'm finishing the day's work in that particular day. So that way it allows me the time to not only finish my daily chores, but also get time to spend with my family. Thanks to the new normal, when we're not traveling a lot, I also get this time to hone my skills, learn something new, or go to the gym. So during the second wave that hit India, the COVID-19 pandemic, I also picked up the infection. The first thing I did was I called up my boss because it meant that I'm going to be off work for a long time. I informed the HR team that I've picked up the disease. The next minute I get a call from Capgemini's medical team saying that we got to know that you've been tested positive. Is there anything that we can do for you? I told them these are my symptoms and this is what I'm facing. So every day from the day I tested positive till I got a COVID negative clearance, they would call me every day at 9 o'clock in the morning and 7 o'clock in the evening to ensure my vitals were fine, I was recovering, if there was anything I needed. As far as the leaves were concerned, the HR ensured that from the back end my leaves were approved. So that was also taken care of. I felt so happy and valued and relieved that my employer was actually investing so much in ensuring that I was comfortable and I was taken care of in my times of need. Come, get the future you want at Capgemini.